Right, so I'm going to show you a way of calculating acceleration. So I'm going to go through an example question with you so that you can follow this process if you're doing some questions of your own. So here's our example, so let's think about it. So we've got a person, still, and that person sets off at a run and amazing art. That person now has reached an amazing speed of 8 meters per second. So they started off at 0 and they've got to 8 meters per second. Now, if you've got somebody who's an amazingly brilliant runner, like Usain Bolt, they can go from 0 to 8 in a really, really short time. If it's someone like me, it's going to take longer, okay? So let's say it's somebody kind of in the middle and it takes them a time of 6 seconds to get from 0 to 8. And we have to work out their acceleration. Okay, so what the first thing we do is we think about the data we've got. So we've got a time of 6 seconds. We've got a starting speed of 0. Now, we've got 2 different speeds here, so we need 2 ways of sort of sorting that out. So we use a symbol U, that means starting speed. And in this case, it's 0 meters per second. And then we use V to show final speed, which in this case is 8 meters per second. And our question is we want us to calculate the acceleration. So A equals question mark. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this information to find acceleration. We're going to use a formula which unfortunately you have to remember. And that's acceleration is V, the final speed, take away U. So that is going to give us our change in speed, how much the speed has increased. And we divide that by how long it took. Let's prop up my whiteboard a bit better. There we go. So, okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put, instead of letters, we're going to put numbers. So acceleration is equal to V, 8, minus U, which is 0, all divided by the time, which is 6. So the acceleration is 8 divided by 6, which is going to give us 8 divided by 6 is 1.3, and I'll round it up. You'll get a whole load of numbers in your calculator, but let's just round it to 2 significant figures, and it's meters per second squared. So that means that this person here, every single time a second went by, they got 1.3 meters per second faster. So that's what we're doing, is we're using this equation here. So what you're going to do now is use this method to help you with some practice questions which you're going to find on Google Classroom. Good luck.